Hello everyone, and welcome to this YouTube tutorial on the secret to a happy relationship. In this video, we will be discussing some essential factors that contribute to a happy and healthy relationship. Firstly, communication is crucial in any relationship. Communication involves not just talking, but also listening and understanding your partner's perspective. Good communication helps to build trust and strengthens the bond between partners. Secondly, mutual respect is vital for a happy relationship. It means treating your partner with kindness, empathy, and understanding. It involves accepting each other's differences and not trying to change each other. Thirdly, having a shared vision for your future together is also essential. This includes discussing your goals and dreams and supporting each other in achieving them. Having a clear understanding of each other's priorities and desires helps to build a strong foundation for a happy relationship. Fourthly, spending quality time together is crucial. It can be as simple as enjoying a movie night at home, cooking a meal together, or going on a romantic date. Spending time together helps to maintain the connection between partners. Lastly, trust is a fundamental aspect of a happy relationship. It involves being honest and transparent with your partner, keeping your promises, and respecting each other's boundaries. Trust builds a strong foundation for a long-lasting and healthy relationship. In conclusion, a happy relationship is built on good communication, mutual respect, a shared vision for the future, quality time together, and trust. It takes effort and commitment from both partners to maintain a healthy and happy relationship. Learn to forgive. Forgiveness is an essential element of a happy relationship. No one is perfect, and mistakes will be made. It's essential to learn how to forgive your partner and move on from any hurt or pain. Show appreciation. Showing appreciation for your partner helps them feel valued and loved. Simple gestures such as saying thank you, expressing gratitude, or leaving a love note can go a long way in maintaining a happy relationship. Maintain individuality. While it's essential to spend quality time together, it's also crucial to maintain your individuality. Pursuing your hobbies and interests independently helps to maintain a sense of self and prevents the relationship from becoming too suffocating. Prioritize intimacy. Physical intimacy is an essential part of a happy relationship. It helps to strengthen the bond between partners and keep the spark alive. However, intimacy doesn't just mean sex. It can also involve cuddling, holding hands, or simply spending time together. Practice empathy. Empathy involves putting yourself in your partner's shoes and trying to understand their perspective. It helps to prevent misunderstandings and disagreements and strengthens the connection between partners. In summary, maintaining a happy relationship takes effort and commitment. Learning to forgive, showing appreciation, maintaining individuality, prioritizing intimacy, and practicing empathy are all essential factors in maintaining a healthy and happy relationship. Thank you for watching this YouTube tutorial on the secret to a happy relationship. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.